Okay, guys, here's our layout for what I'm calling bedroom number one. 100 inches of full height cabinets. They are about 24 inches deep. The beam is 96 inches from the ceiling, so these cabinets are 94 inches tall, and that beam will pretty much be running right about here on that corner. 5 doors. This would be a mirror. And looking at it in this view, closet rod here, so 4 different closet rods, and then that's the space, 39 inches, which is, the closet rod's going to be down about 2 inches, and then typically a shirt, a blouse, pants, about 36 inches of hanging space, which we have here. Behind this door is a bunch of adjustable shelving for shoes. There is a possibility if you wanted hanging space, we could put a vertical partition down here for tall hanging space on one of these sides. But that's the look. And bedroom 2, front view. If these drawers are maple, the grain would be going horizontal. And then this door is white, all slab, but that's the layout, what we've got for here. Hanging space here and shelf above. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.